The United States, Britain, Germany, Switzerland, Mali, Gabon and Kenya are set for the next level of containing Ebola. Latest developments have shown that there are serious chemical and pharmaceutical activities going on in order to forestall future outbreaks. One of these is the planned experimental vaccines to be administered on West African citizens early next year. The test will generate data on safety and protection in December before the vaccines can be rolled out to groups and health workers.
These trials will incorporate the largest number of volunteers and will be very important in terms of determining both the safety and the immunogenicity. And these data are absolutely crucial to allow decision-making on what dose level should go in the efficacy testing in Africa.
Vaccine makers and regulatory authorities are moving quickly to speed up trials and approval for the vaccines, while donors stand ready to help with financing the cost of rollout. Inovio Pharmaceuticals is developing a DNA vaccine that would enter clinics early next year, while Protein Sciences is developing a vaccine that should reach trials in the first quarter of 2015. Both are US-based companies.
We are aware of the fact that some vaccines are also in development in Russia. And so we are in contact with the Russians to see when they could be available for testing in Africa and what type of doses in terms of quantity could be available in the months to come.
In terms of experimental drugs against Ebola, the French government is to set up a clinical trial in Guinea to evaluate the safety and efficacy of a drug made by Japan's Fujifilm, a flu drug called favipiravir. The trials are expected to start in coming weeks.
In March, there was absolutely no belief that a vaccine could be brought online in time to respond to something that people were still thinking would be a normal Ebola outbreak.
The World Health Organization's latest reports say Ebola outbreak this year has killed 4,546 out of 9,191 known cases in Guinea, Liberia and Sierra Leone. Olatubosun Olawale, TVC News.